Happy New Year everyone! In this video, I'll be upgrading my PC and showing the process. The video won't show every painstaking detail as the actual time took me an entire day, especially cable management. Here are all the parts I'll be upgrading, starting from the left. A new Asus motherboard to support Intel's Gen 12 chip. Below that are white cable sleeves and a new CPU bracket. Next to the motherboard is the Intel i9-12900K CPU. Then we have two sets of 32x2 DDR5 RAM. This is a total of 128GB of RAM. RGB of course. A new white all-in-one water cooler by Thermaltake. I also got a new 2TB NVMe drives not shown in video. And lastly, for a bit of flair, a large sun sticker that measures 19 by 19 inches for the back of my PC case. I'll include a little infographic of what the old PC parts were and what the new upgrade is right here. So let's get started. First step is to unbox the new Asus motherboard. The motherboard is a mostly white silver theme. This is the area where the new LGA 1700 CPU and the RAM slots are here, which supports the new DDR5. Next up is unboxing the RAM, as we will install these first. The RAM is also white to match the theme. Let's open the second box. Here they are side by side. Time to pop these open and install. Next, I will open the Intel CPU. I really like the packaging. It came in with the gold disc. Here's the CPU itself, and it will fit in here. Let's open the bracket and place the CPU. Next, I will remove the current bracket and install the new bracket. This new bracket is supposed to help with even heat distribution. There are some problems with heating because the new CPU is much longer compared to previous generations. I saw a video by Linus before installing this. The installation for this bracket is quite cumbersome because we need to make sure that each screw is equally screwed in. This will make sure that we evenly spread the pressure across the CPU. Nice and snug. I will now disassemble my old PC starting with the giant RTX 3090. Don't worry, I will clean these parts off camera. After the GPU, I unscrew the all-in-one water block from the old motherboard. After the all-in-one, I will unscrew the motherboard from the case. After removing the old board, I would transfer my old NVMe drive to the new board. The NVMe is housed here with the Asus logo. On my new board, I will install the old NVMe and the new NVMe. Here it is unboxed. And here they are side by side. All my hard drives are Samsung, as you can see. Time to install them. Thankfully, this board has room for 2 NVMe drive slots located under here. After installing the drives, I will now place my new motherboard into the case. My new all-in-one cooler will be installed off camera because it took way too long. To finalize installation of the cooler, I will add the thermal paste to finally screw in the water block. Alright, wrapping things up here, I will clean the case panel to add my sticker. I'm using 99% isopropyl alcohol. While I'm stickering, I want to mention that the rest of the PC was put together and everything plugged back in and the cables were managed well. And we are finished! Here is a 360 look of my upgraded PC. Finally, here is the full display of my PC with GPU and RGB turned on. Thank you guys for watching the video and thank you for all the support over the years. This journey has been fun so far and I hope we can all have another fun year of modding in 2023. Until next time, bye!